Meaning of heredity.
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 Heredity. Heredity refers to the transfer of genetic information from parents to offspring. It is the mechanism by which traits, such as eye color or a predisposition to certain diseases, are passed down through generations. This process occurs through the transmission of genes, encoded in DNA, during sexual reproduction. These genes determine various physical and behavioral characteristics of an organism. Hereditary traits can be influenced by both genetic and environmental factors. Understanding heredity is important for fields such as genetics, medicine, and evolutionary biology.